Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Chess Curse.
Hindi, wow.
So itong order ko guys is flasher relay para sa e-bike. So i-unbox natin guys kung legit sa seller or hindi.
Paano masabi?
Much later.
So guys, si seller is legit. Flasher relay yung pinadala niya. Pang e-bike to guys. 3 pins. Thank you for watching.